a great choice today with the 2019
BMW X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention.
This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.